Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get invisible item frame in Minecraft. Alright, let's begin. To get an invisible item frame, you will need to use a command, which means cheats must be enabled in your world. First, pause the game, select Open to LAN, turn on Allow Cheats, and then start the LAN world. If you're already in creative mode, cheats are usually enabled by default. Next, open the chat window. In the chat, enter the following command exactly as shown. /give@s item frame brackets entity-data equals curly braces ID quotation marks Minecraft item frame quotation marks comma invisible 1b close curly braces close brackets. Once you press Enter, the invisible item frame will be added to your hotbar. It will look like a normal item frame at first. Now, place it anywhere in the world. Even though you can't see the frame itself, it is still there. Right-click on the placed frame and add any item you want. The item will appear floating with no visible frame around it. You can also right-click to rotate the item and adjust its direction for decoration builds, maps, or displays. So that's basically how you can get invisible item frame in Minecraft. That's it for this video. Thanks.